In this instruction video I will explain how you can use Trimble Connect in your collaborative design project. First, I will introduce you to the main functionalities of Trimble Connect. Then some information on how to get access to Trimble Connect. Trimble Connect is a cloud-based document management platform that can act as a central environment for managing project data. It's accessible through the web browser as well as through a desktop tool. The platform can be used as a central environment to share all kinds of project documents and files. By storing the project data in a central location, everyone has access to the same data. This also prevents the data from having to be emailed back and forth and prevents the emergence of multiple versions of the same files. The advantage over more regular document management platforms is that Trimble Connect support the viewing of 3D models. But first, the core function, management of project documents. All data that exists locally in a project can be uploaded to the server of Trimble Connect. Trimble Connect supports viewing of multiple 2D, 3D, and geospatial file formats. Files can be uploaded into the folder tree structure, which can be defined by the project team. The project's folder tree can be used for many things. It can give you a high-level overview of the architecture of your project, allows for you to quickly navigate between folders, when you have complex folder hierarchies defined. And it can also be used for managing your data by allowing you to drag and drop folders and files directly into the tree structure. Multiple users can work on one project in Trimble Connect. With folder permissions, visibility of folders can be restricted based on user groups or individual user accounts. Trimble Connect allows you to track, download, and view the revision history of your uploaded files. Using the File Detail panel, you will have access to all the revisions of a file, and view or download a particular revision of the file. In addition, releases can be used to record the state of all documents at the completion of a phase. By creating a release in Trimble Connect, you freeze a document in a status. You can create and manage releases in Trimble Connect on the Releases page. Another useful function of Trimble Connect is the ability to synchronize data to your computer. Trimble Connect Sync is an application that installs on your computer. It keeps files stored on your computer synchronized with multiple projects on Trimble Connect. You can select individual folders, synchronize to and from Trimble Connect and choose which direction the files should synchronize. With Trimble Connect Sync, you can easily transfer data to and from the cloud. Trimble Connect Sync can be downloaded from the website of Trimble Connect, there is a link on the last slide. With Trimble Connect, you can view DWGs, PDFs, Microsoft Office files, and images in the 2D viewer, but you can also view models and point clouds in an 3D viewer. While working in the 3D viewer, you can perform several different tasks. For example, use clip planes to create cross-sectional views of 3D models. You can create clip planes both vertically and horizontally. Once the desired cross-section has been created, it can be saved as a view or a to-do and shared with various team members. Views are snapshots of documents or models from different camera angles and with different colors, object visibility, and markups. You can save model views, or snapshots of the 3D view, and manage them in several ways using the views list. Use to-dos to assign, track and resolve issues within a project. To-dos can be assigned to a user or a group with a due date when the to-do needs to be resolved. To-dos are a helpful tool to assign, track and resolve issues with a model. Authoring tools such as Tekla Structures and Revit can export BCFs for issue and task management, which can then be imported to Trimble Connect as a to-do. The to-do can then be assigned and prioritized with any project user. You can also add attachments to objects in 3D models. Object attachments or object links are files, to-dos, or URLs that have been specifically linked to a particular model object. They can provide specific instructions or important information related to that object. To get access to Trimble Connect, follow the hyperlink in the email to register yourself. Subsequently, you can install the Trimble Connect desktop and sync tools. To summarize, Trimble Connect is a cloud-based document management platform that can act as a central environment for managing project data, and supports the viewing of 3D models. On the slide you can find some useful links to get started. The Trimble Connect website is very useful if you run into questions.